Hi guys, in this video we're going to be showing you everything that you can do with your Ionis infrared bar heater remote. Let's get started. First, you'll need to make sure that you have a remote controllable Ionis bar heater. If your heater has a red LED indicator, then unfortunately it's not remote controllable. If it has an LED screen however, keep watching. Use the on-off button to switch your Ionis heater on. You should see the display change once it's on. Pressing the on-off button again switches your heater on. Press the temp button on your remote to set your target temperature. You'll see the default target temperature begin to flash on the screen. Use the up and down buttons to adjust your target temperature in 1 degree increments. To save your target temperature, simply leave the heater for a few seconds and it will save your settings. To set a timer, press the timer button on your remote. You'll see 24H flashing on the screen by default. Use the up and down buttons to adjust how long you'd like your heater to be on for in 1 hour increments. To save your timer settings, simply leave the heater for a few seconds and it will save your settings. Press the set button, followed quickly by the child lock button. You'll see a padlock icon appear on your bar heater screen to tell you that the child lock is enabled. To unlock your bar heater, press set again, followed once more by the child lock button. Press the set button twice in a row to switch to eco mode, which disables the display on your bar heater. To bring the display back, simply press set one more time. To switch between high power and low power, press the high-low switch button. In full power mode, the circle around the edge of the display will be full, and there will be a full sun icon on the screen. In half power mode, the circle around the edge of the display will be partially full, and there will be a half sun icon on the screen. To toggle the motion sensor on, press the set button followed by the up button. You will see a person icon on your screen, indicating that the motion sensor is on and that the bar heater will switch on when it detects motion. To switch the motion sensor off, press set again followed once more by the up button. To reset your Wi-Fi settings, press set followed by the down button. After a few seconds, you'll see the Wi-Fi icon on the screen begin to flash, indicating that the heater is now in pairing mode.